How long does it take to do a foundation inspection? Hi, and welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer foundation repair questions from our customers. So today's question is one that we get quite a bit, and it is, how long does it take to do a foundation inspection? Phil, how long does it take to do a foundation inspection?
Good question, Brian. So initially when we're assigned the task from the office, I'll go on to the internet, do a lookup on the house structure. That gives me an idea of what the typical time is going to take. So usually it's between 60 to 90 minutes. There's a couple factors that kind of dictate those times. If it's a raised foundation or a slab on grade. If it's a slab on grade, there's usually two elements. We'll do exterior drawings, and then we'll go on to the inside and we'll do a quick sketch and then 4 elevations. Those are the two elements on that. If it's a raised foundation, there'll be 3 elements. We'll do the same as the slab on grade, the evaluation on the outside, go on the inside, do the sketch, 4 elevations, and then go under the house to take a look at the conditions under the house. So again, to wrap that, it's between 60 to 90 minutes.
Well, perfect. Appreciate it, Phil. And ways that we look and we are proactive in kind of trying to shorten that amount of time is by communicating with you prior to the inspection, getting our customers as educated as possible, answering questions with you, looking at videos, pictures, whatever it is that you can send us, helps to reduce that time, that inspection time, so that way you're able to not have to take so much time off of work or away from your kids, and then you know be able to get back to it a little bit quicker than us going out there blind and then having to educate and just fire hose everything at once while we're out there. So appreciate it, Phil.
All right, certainly.
So thanks for watching, and join us again for another episode of You Ask,
And we'll tell you the answer.